How to get a virtual card. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you some ways you can get your virtual card. So without any further ado, let us get started. So the first way you can obtain a virtual card is by online payment services providers. So many online service providers such as PayPal offer virtual card services as a part of their service. And other mobile wallet apps like Google Pay or Apple Pay allows you to create virtual cards that can be used for online transactions. Beside that, banks and financial institutions also offer virtual cards for their customers. Check with your bank to see if they provide the services or not. Once you finalize from which institution you would like to get a virtual card from, you have to fill out an application on the website or physically. Then you have to complete the verification steps required, such as identification documents. Then you have to activate your virtual card through the provider's apps or website. Lastly, add some funds to your virtual card from your bank account or other source if necessary. And then you can start using your virtual card for online purchases just like a physical card. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.